Did you come across this experience as unavailable due to your account settings error on Roblox and looking to fix it? In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox error on Android while playing it. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Ensure account restrictions are disabled. First sign into Roblox account. Then, tap on gear icon, select settings to open menu. Now, open privacy tab. Move down to account restrictions, disable it if it is enabled. Method 2. Change parental control settings. First, open Roblox app on browser, log into it. Now, tap on gear icon, select settings. Here, click on parental controls option. Now, select appropriate age or select all ages, suitable for everyone, option. Method 3. Clear browser cookies and cache. First, open web browser, tap on settings. Search for privacy and security. Look for clear browsing data, cookies, and cached images and files option. Finally, choose as per required, tap on clear data. Method 4. Check Roblox servers. When servers are down of Roblox app, then you can come across the error. In this situation, you cannot do anything. You can check the current status by visiting Down Detector website or official Twitter handle. Method 5. Contact Roblox team. When nothing works for you, then you should take help from Roblox customer support. You can easily contact them via the app. Fill up all the details required and finally click on submit and wait for their reply.